Life is full of ups and downs, but you have to keep going. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So it's important to keep pushing through. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is making sure that you keep progressing, you keep growing regardless of the barriers that are thrown at you. You have to remember that you keep going. Life is full of ups and downs. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes you succeed, and sometimes you fail. It's important to pick yourself up every single time and keep going. So if you're currently going through a situation where maybe you've tried to start your business, you've tried to grow your customer base, you've tried to lose weight, you've tried to fix your relationship, you've tried to maybe start a family, whatever it may be, you're trying to pass your driving test, you're trying to pass an exam, you're trying to change your career, whatever it may be, you just have to remember to keep going through. Life is full of ups and downs, and when you're presented with mistakes, when you're presented with failures, use that as a motivation to keep pushing through. Whatever happens, the show has to go on. You can't collapse at every single time you fail, because guess what, you won't get back up. You will just push your dream back, and 5 years time you'll be in the same situation and wonder what happened. You don't want to look back year in year out and think, I'm still at the same spot as before, I'm still in the same situation as before. It's because you're not getting up when life presents you with barriers, with obstacles. You just have to remember to keep going. And the hours don't stop just because you're in a mental space where you're not happy. The hours don't stop because now you've gained a little bit of weight. So what? Sometimes, we make the smallest changes the biggest things that stop us from progressing. So what if you've gained weight? Okay, but maybe instead of complaining about it, try embracing the new you. So what if your business idea didn't work out? It's been proven that at least 5 out of 10 business ideas will fail. So what, it hasn't worked out, maybe it's time to redirect. But remember that the show has to keep going. You have to keep pushing through. You didn't get the job you wanted, you don't find in a financially stable, change the things that aren't working out. And remember, the clock doesn't stop ticking because you're in pain or because you're successful. Whatever the situation you're currently dealing with, keep going. Okay, that's how you grow and become the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.